So let's talk about combining like terms. For a term to be like, it needs to have the same variable and the same exponent. If you had something like this, just a constant out to the side, you would have to combine that with another constant. So I'm going to add some constants in there just so we can use those as an example. So I am going to go ahead and for my 7th grade standard, I want to change all of this subtraction to adding the opposite. So I'm just going to rewrite this super long expression. So I'm going to keep the 8. I'm going to add 2x. Instead of subtracting 7, I'm going to add negative 7x plus 5y squared. Let me change that plus for just a second. That didn't look too much like a plus. Plus 2y plus negative 8y, because I'm adding the opposite, plus 2. So now I'm either going to move things around or I can just go ahead and look at them and look at the sign that's in front. So I know this 8 can be combined with this positive 2, okay? And 8 plus 2 will give me 10. Then I'm going to take a look at the 2x. Do I have any more x's? Well, I have this negative 7x, and that's it. So those are the only ones that would have an x. So they are like terms. So now I need to look at their coefficients. So I have 2 plus negative 7, which is negative 5. So I'm going to put plus negative 5x, and I will put that into parentheses to protect it. And then let me get a custom pen out so that I can change my color real quick. Let's do this green. And there we go. All right, so now I'm going to look. Oh, I have a positive 5y squared. Do I have any more y squareds? I have some y's. I have the 2y and I have the negative 8y, but they don't have an exponent of 2. Okay, let's pretend like we knew what y was. Let's say y was 5. Well, 5 squared is 25. So 5 and 25 are not the same. So those would not be like terms. So I'm just going to put my plus 5y squared. He has nothing to combine with. And then I am going to look and see what else I have. So I have this 2y. And I have this negative 8y. So again, I'm going to look at the coefficients. So I have 2 plus negative 8, which would be plus negative 6y. So my ending expression is 10 plus negative 5x plus 5y squared plus negative 6y.